So people are pressuring JCA President Mr. William Billy Haven for getting his cliche mixed up. Listen to Billy talking about West Indies cricket and putting his foot in his mouth. Listen.
We can't do the same thing the same way every time and expect different results. If we are going to continue to do the same thing, we must do the same thing differently. Otherwise, we're going to have to do different things. We can do different things the same way, or we can do different things the different way.
Oh, stop it. We all know what Billy was trying to say. Him just mix up the punchline. We understand that Billy Haven is thinking of running for the Cricket West Indies president. And my question is not about his silly mistake. My question is, what has he done with Jamaica's cricket to be even thinking about leading West Indies cricket? From what we're seeing, Jamaica's cricket gone back way in almost every aspect under Billy Haven's leadership. Our one-day team and our four-day team have become the beating sticks of regional cricket. We see no development or structure. And with all of that failure, Billy Haven wants to graduate himself to Cricket West Indies president. For the what? The same thing, the same way, differently.